Hello everyone, my name is Ken with Dent Discount. Today another big dent using my favorite PDR auto body technique. I'm going to be pulling and pushing on a 21-inch smash across two body lines. You will see fractured paint along the edge, and at the deepest impact point you will see deep scarring in the clear coat. This is a 2019 Honda Odyssey, and you will see how I turn this dent from looking like this to this. Hello everyone, my name is Ken. I have a PDR body shop, and I'm really excited to talk about this $85 tool. It is a vacuum slide hammer, and it's a must-have tool. At my shop we have traditional methods of grinding off paint, stud pulling, filling with fillers, and that can take hours. I also have a full arsenal of PDR tools and tabs. It can take 5 to 10 minutes to heat up glue. This tool by far is the quickest way to pull a lot of real estate on a panel. And just a flip of a switch, you can have 80% of the dent out, and I would say within 10 seconds. It's a must-have tool. It's an $85 write-off. The tool is linked down below in the description if you want more information. Now onto the dent repair. Okay, so I have the panel warming up. I need a new temperature gauge here. We're looking right around the 150. Good enough. Let's get started. Okay. Little section. Caught my shotgun. Air. You can see that suction slide hammer moved a lot of metal. It's gonna be a little bit of work. No big deal. My next victim. Good 12-inch. Clean it up. Remove the dent. You can see the remaining lows I need to bring up with my PDR tools. Plenty of knockdown work. It's all open territory in there. Pull that back. I will have plenty of tool access from a couple of different angles. This is a sneak preview of my next video, a deep door ding on a body line that covers around 10 inches behind the door handle. This is the finished product in natural light. The impact points across the body line were really deep
tough to bring up and blend out. Overall, the dent came out cleanly. If you enjoyed the content, hit the sub and notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.